It's a combination of a job and a hobby. And so even though it's an aggravation, because at the end of the day your day is not over, because you're always either thinking or actually writing or reading, or that's what makes it wonderful. And when you, I will say it's the most addictive paradigm in psychology is the infrequent and, I'm not going to say irreproducible, but infrequent and not expected successes in between all those failures. But when I was a graduate student, I won't name the person, but we did a lot of blood. We used, in those days, which was many years ago, in fact in the 1970s, the early 1970s, we didn't have a lot of DNA markers, so we used protein markers, and we did a lot of things out of serum, and there was a hemoglobin buffer, which we used to be able to study different differences. And another graduate student in the lab was very confused because he was running around looking for something that was red. That was pretty funny. That's going to be hard because there were very many of them. I'm from the University of Washington, so I was trained in medical genetics by Arno Matulski and George Stamatianopoulos, two major players in medical genetics for many years. But I probably would say that Stan Gartler was my favorite teacher because he was my thesis advisor, and he's still completely active in his mid-80s, comes to work every single day, which is another reason why it's addictive to be in science.